Yeah, no, it's no problem.
Where to, B?
You know, I feel like I already know you. Why are we even hanging out right now? You know?
Call me Emily. Like, don't worry about it. Some people also call me The Rock, but...
If it's cool with you, we're gonna stop by Chick-fil-A, okay? All the Chick-fil-Ladies, all the Chick-fil-Ladies.
It's really cool to get this, this chance to hang out with you. Not to, like, flex, but, like, I'm a little sore today, yeah. Did your workout you sent me, threw up a few times, but, like, I'm good.
I feel like we're pretty much the same person. You know, we went to the same school and we're equally as successful.
You know, I've been trying to work on a rap lately about friendship, so this is what I got so far. I'll just give you a little bit of it, you know. Friendship.
You know I sing, right? You could probably tell. You've seen a lot of stars, so I just figure you would just know immediately.
If you want to be the auntie to my children, I don't know if we have to do, like, legal paperwork, but I'm saying yes to you now.
You know what? You rock.
Okay, I just want to end on a little song. Crazy in love, you got me acting so crazy in love. Oh, you got me being so crazy in love. You got me so crazy in love.